Hey everyone, Maria here. I did a test sculpting many years ago, so I basically jumped in the 3D area with no clue whatsoever. I did have prints failing, but I just kept going until I got the result that I wanted. I didn't want to sand too much and I printed with 0.025 mm per layer. It does take a while to print at this height. And cleaning is very important to remove all the residue. I also don't touch my prints until they're completely cured. And here's my sculpt, a sort of hybrid between human and a mystical dragon. It is the very first sculpted head that I made. I'm using water to minimize the dust while sanding. Since this is my very first sculpt, I wanted to work on two variations, one white and one with dark color resin. Seeing your creation printed does feel exciting, but also this is the reason why I changed my sculpt before this final print. And once printed, I could actually see the parts that I wanted to change. In a normal situation, I would rather cast it and not paint over the raw piece, but I didn't have the materials, and to be honest, I wanted to see this prototype before that. If I don't like something on the sculpt and I want to change it, it will be such a waste. I really love this grey resin, and this is why I wanted to try to paint it. I wanted the two sculpts to kind of complete each other, and this is why I tried to match them with the colors. It was easier to add warmer tones to the white head than the grey one. I didn't want to paint them so much because there is a lot of going on already with the scales. I added gold tones to the white head and silver to the grey. Adding gloss is one of my favorite parts because it makes the colors pop. This time I didn't cut the lashes. I wanted them very long and crazy. I didn't record making the eyes because they were a bit frustrating. I casted them in resin and then I used epoxy to make the iris. And for the color I used acrylic paints. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and let me know which head is your favorite in the comments. Subscribe if you want to see more and follow me in my social media for even more at Maria Lazar's Art. See you next time. Bye!